today, what we're gonna cook for you is barbecue grilled chicken.
Not only are we gonna be cooking barbecue chicken, we're gonna show you the common mistake that people make that results in unevenly cooked chicken and chicken that's not as good as it should be. So Greg, what have we selected today to cook to solve all these issues that people may have with chicken?
Dude, mistake number one, when they're cooking chicken in the backyard for whoever, they pick chicken breasts. Love chicken breasts, they're lean, but tenders is the best cut of meat that you can cook in your backyard on the grill.
Now there's always a big debate on whether you direct or indirect cook. Stay with us and we're gonna give you our opinions on the best way to consistently cook flavorful chicken at Bluff City Grub.
All right, so we are cooking chicken tenders today, which in my opinion supersedes the breasts. The bite size are good for appetizers or they're good for dinner. We're gonna start by seasoning these guys up. We have our Bluff City Rub here, which you'll find this in the description below. We're gonna put these in a bowl and we're gonna season them on up. Hit it pretty heavy with it. Take a little bit of olive oil.
Hey Greg, now this is the same tip we've used on wings on a gas grill and tasty chicken thighs, I believe.
Absolutely. I like using this method just because when you do it, it makes the rub spread around evenly on the chicken, coats it really well. It gives it a really good color while it's on the grill. Just overall, just makes it easier. And what we're going to do with these chicken tenders today is we're going to skewer them up and we're going to make it really easy to handle while they're on the Weber. One of the reasons why we picked chicken tenders today is just because, man, they're super tender. You deal with breast dry out really easy when you cook them to 165. Sometimes the meat gets a little tough, gets a little cumbersome to handle on the grill. But with chicken tenders, these guys, you can cook them a little bit over, close to 170, 175, and they're still tender and juicy.
And tip number one, use chicken tenders.
All right, we got our chicken tenders all skewered up here. This barbecue chicken, it's gonna be delicious. And I'm telling you, after you cook these, you're gonna fall in love with them. But our second tip, always, no matter what tips we gave you before, it always is replaced by another layer of flavor. Right there, you guessed it. Light dusting with that Bluff City Rub. Right there on top.
Oh, we gotta flip these over.
Oh, absolutely. Both sides, baby.
There we go. I notice how those skewers really make it easier for you to handle that chicken, Greg.
Yep. Little chicken handles. On and off the grill. Perfect. Get these guys on the grill.
You can certainly tell how using chicken tenders, they've all got the same thickness all the way through, front to back. All right, Greg, we said we're gonna be setting up our Weber for an indirect cook. We've got 2 bricks so we can section off the grill. This will be our hot zone and the zone that we're cooking in. We talked about setting up a good charcoal base for our wood fire. We got some lump charcoal here. We're gonna load this grill down with lots of pecan.
I like your little makeshift divider there. It's pretty slick, Joe.
Yep.
Well, here at Bluff City Grub, my buddy Joe, he's a little bit cheap, so we don't have any grill brushes, but we're going to use aluminum foil. You've seen us do this in the video before. Get our grill grate. Now we're going to use some of our avocado, which is healthy human oil. High smoke temp oil. Go ahead and oil our grates. It's nice and oiled up on the opposite side, 2-zone fire. We're going to throw this chicken on. Oh, we got a live fire going here. We're going to throw these chicken skewers right here on the grill. Grilled chicken. Barbecue grilled chicken is going to be delicious today. Nice handles here. Throw them off to the side. Indirect cook. We're going to hit them with, you guessed it, one more layer of flavor. Perfect. These should only take about 20, maybe 30 minutes. Chops. Indirect cook. We're going to go ahead and put this on there, chuck that fire out, and get some smoke rolling in there.
What are we gonna be cooking at today, Greg?
We're shooting for about 300.
For how long?
20, 30 minutes. 20 minutes. Until our chicken's done, Joe. All right, chicken's been rolling for about 15 minutes or so. We're gonna go ahead and check it. Really good color on it. Cooked real even. Go ahead and give it a little flip. That's why I like these skewers here. It makes it real easy to handle this chicken. Just like that. Boom. Go hit it with another layer of flavor. Let these roll for about another 10 minutes and they should be ready. Let's check this chicken. Really good color on it. We're gonna go ahead and glaze this stuff up now. It's been going for about 25 minutes or so. Temperature's really good. This little coat of glaze on both sides of it. Good looking barbecue chicken already. A little another layer of flavor.
I was worried about that.
Don't you worry, Jeff. I'm not gonna miss a layer of flavor here. All right, let's flip these guys over. Real easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this is the easiest way to barbecue chicken. Hit this other side real quick.
All right, we got this glaze set. Let's go ahead and look at these bad boys and get them off.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that barbecue chicken right there. It's looking delicious. Look at this. No utensils required. Right off of the Weber kettle with my hands. They're ready to eat, just like that. Backyard barbecue. Man, you just skew you up a whole bunch of these things instead of cooking chicken breasts. You can have food for the whole party. Ready to go. This chicken is looking delicious. Let's give it a little bit of color right there on top.